It's gross. Oh, I fell off a ladder last year and I have been really suffering with the consequences of a concussion. My husband, who's in residency for orthopedic surgery, saw an article on this and then recommended that I take it because it's supposed to help your mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of your body. So it's what gives you energy. And there's like crazy amount of articles on this stuff, and I don't know why everybody's not talking about it. Actually, I do know why everybody's not talking about it, because it's cheap. You really can't make a lot of money, I guess. I'm also diagnosed with ADHD, and I used to be on Adderall, but I stopped taking it because I don't like the way that it makes me treat my family, my kids. I just get to a point in the day where I totally turn off. When I take Adderall, I'll do the dishes because that seems like something that's fun to do. Like I want to do it. So it's like, oh, this would be fun. And then my house will look clean. And so it's like this dopamine increasing activity. However, when I took this, I was in the kitchen and I just did the dishes. I didn't think about it. It was just like what you did. I decided to come upstairs because my dogs wouldn't shut up. I told my brother-in-law, who also has ADHD, and he tried it. And this is what he said, that the only difference is that he doesn't get that euphoric feeling. It's not medical advice. You should absolutely talk to your doctor about anything. First time I took it, I took way too much because that's what it said in all the articles that my husband was reading. Ended up happening is I woke up in the middle of the night with a song playing in my head so loud that I couldn't sleep. And I have a COMT mutation, which is the mutation that makes it so you can't degrade your neurochemicals. So I think that's what's happening. This increased my neurochemicals and I couldn't degrade them. So I have gone to a much lower dose. I only use 4 drops. Supposedly it's only supposed to last like 6 to 8 hours. I noticed a huge difference in being able to do things that are boring.